Hello and welcome to a new session of Watch and Learn training series on EventTracker version 9. Our session topic for this video is configuring IIS web server. In this session, we shall discuss installing and customizing IIS web server in different operating systems such as Windows Server 2016, Windows 10, and Windows Server 2012 R2. Let us first start with installing and customizing IIS web server in a Windows Server 2016 environment. Access the Server Manager and select Add Roles and Features. Click Next and select the installation type. Click Next and then select Local Server from the server pool and then click Next. In the Roles pane, select Web Server IIS and choose to add features and then click Next. Select .NET Framework 3.5 features, which includes .NET 2.0 and 3.0 option. Select ASP.NET 4.6 and then click Next. Enable custom logging, logging tools, and ODBC logging under Health and Diagnostics. Enable static content compression and dynamic content compression under Performance. Expand the application development and select the sub-options as shown. Expand IIS 6 management compatibility and enable all the sub-options. Click Next. If required, click Specify an alternate source path. Select Restart the destination server automatically if required option to restart the server once the installation is complete. Finally, click on Install. The IIS web server installation is now complete in a Windows Server 2016 environment. Now let us take a Windows 10 environment for configuring IIS. Open Control Panel in Windows 10. Click Programs and under the Programs and Features section, click Turn Windows Features on or off. You will then see a Windows Features screen. Select .NET Framework 3.5, which includes .NET 2.0 and 3.0 option. Expand the Internet Information Services and then expand Web Management Tools and select it. Now, expand IIS 6 management compatibility and select all the sub-options. Expand Worldwide Web Services and then expand Application Development Features. Select the options that are shown. Expand Common HTTP features and select Default Document, Directory Browsing, HTTP Errors, and Static Content. Expand Health and Diagnostics and select the options shown. Expand Performance Features and select Dynamic and Static Content Compression. Verify the settings and click OK. This initiates the IIS web server installation in Windows 10. Now, let us configure the IIS in a Windows Server 2012 environment. By default, all role services are not installed while installing IIS 8.0 on Windows 2012 R2 server. You need to manually select the Application Development and IIS Management role services while installing the web server. These are essential services and should be up and running prior to installing EventTracker. Click the Server Manager icon available in the taskbar, and then select Add Roles and Features. On the first screen, click Next. The role-based or feature-based selection option is selected by default. You can select the installation type as per the requirement and then click Next. Select Local Server from the server pool and then select Next. In the Roles pane, select the Application Server and then select Web Server IIS. Add Roles and Features wizard displays the confirmation message. Click Add Features and then click Next. Select the .NET Framework 3.5 features, which includes .NET 2.0 and 3.0. Click Next and select the Web Server IIS support. Add Roles and Features wizard displays the confirmation message. Click Add Features and then click Next. Scroll down and expand Application Development node. Select .NET Extensibility 3.5, ASP.NET 3.5, and then enable ASP, and then scroll down and expand the Management Tools node. Select the Management Tools and all the sub-options. Enable IIS 6 Management Compatibility and all the sub-options. Click Add Features and then click Next. Confirm the changes. If required, click Specify an alternate source path. Select Restart the destination server automatically if required option to restart the server once the installation is complete. Then finally, click on Install. Now, your IIS configuration is complete for EventTracker installation. This concludes our session on configuring and customizing IIS web server. Stay tuned for more topics that will be following this video. Thank you.